Hey guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori, and I have a review for you. A fun scooter, and we're gonna give you a full and complete walkthrough and review of this scooter.
All right, friends, we got the TST F8 Max electric scooter, rechargeable, fully collapsible. She weighs 35 pounds. Easy to throw in your car, take to the beach, take on trips. We're gonna give you a little tour here. We have 10-inch tires with disc brakes. I believe I need to oil mine though, they're a little grabby. That is one thing I don't love. We have the kickstand. You have your foot plate here. Definitely holds both my size 8.5 feet. She will hold up to 220 pounds of human weight. We also have the front tire here. When I take it out and about, that's how I'm gonna lock it up. I'm gonna put it through the front wheel and attach it to something. Up here, we're gonna pull you all the way up. We have our control panel. Now, it's only flashing because of the camera, but there is an app that operates all of this, but this is your main control. So if you hold that button down, oops, it will power off. When you turn it on, it powers on. You have to hold it. It will go into medium. Medium, or M, goes about 13 to 15 miles an hour. When I hold this and turn it on, automatically my front headlight should turn on. If it's dark, it's a sensor. If you want to just turn the headlight on, you just hit the buttons. If you want to go from medium to high to low, you double click. I'm not sure why that's flashing. Over here we have our brake. You just have the one. And here is your throttle. That will make you go forward. You have some really great grippies. This is how you lock it down. I'll do that in a minute. But you can also like hang a little bag from there while you're scooting. Although I recommend backpacks. She's a stylish one, let me tell you. I love the all black color. The only building that I had to do is put screws in up here. That was it. Everything else was done. Here's your front headlight. There's a brake light behind you. Yeah, she goes great. It's fun to just zip around, head to the park, head to the pool. I'm gonna take it camping with me, and I think that's gonna be fantastic because when it folds down, it's super small. So let me show you what it looks like folded down. Here's how we fold it down. You have a plunger here. So you gotta push it in and pop that out. So that just pops out. This lays down. Now your front hook, let me get on the other side here. Your front hook here that you could put your little bag on slides right there. I'll go on the other side. It literally just slides right in here, and now I can carry it wherever I want to go. 36 pounds. It'll slide right in the back of my car. You also have your little reflectors here. And then to stand it up, I'm doing this one-handed. You stand her up. Now what I do is put my foot here, snap it all the way forward, and then this goes in there and snaps. That's easy. That is how easy it is to break it down and stand it up for storage, for transportation, for transportability. Fantastic. The only thing she's missing is a cup for my coffee. Hope you enjoy.